Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Round Lake Park, local and long distance movers near me. You can move 100 miles or further away with our help. We offer basic services along with packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Only the best movers will make your long distance move easier. Our team offers the most professional movers for your specific needs. We give you all the necessary services to make moving days simple. Your local move may not seem difficult enough to hire an Illinois moving company. However, moving, no matter the distance, is a huge job. You have to bag up all your household things, load up your furniture, and unload everything at your new location. Those heavy items are going to take up a lot of time and energy. When you choose 3 Movers, you can let us lift all your heavy items. We can do even packing and unpacking if you want. Our team will get to your new location quickly, and we handle all types of local moves, both small and large. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Round Lake Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.